This Century 21 Agate Realty property video is presented by Becky Watwood. Adorable home on Cul-de-sac Street near schools and Azalea Park. 3-bedroom, 2 baths with split bedroom floor plan. Large living room with vaulted ceilings, kitchen has lots of counter space and cabinets, slider off dining area with slider to fenced backyard. Master bedrooms has oversized walk-in closet and double sinks in bathroom. 2-car garage. Must see. Please do not disturb tenant without appointment. For more information, review the details below or contact Becky Watwood at 541-661-1506.